Hello, welcome to Lab 11 Detectors. I'm Diego.
I'm Tyler.
And our TA's name is Still Advanced. So this is a lot of the experiment. Part A, PIN, PCD, and APD. Part B, CMOS spectral imaging. So this is the theory for part A. We got two types of photodetector, thermal and photoelectric. The thermal converts light to heat, which is inefficient. Photoelectric converts light to current. And we got three important parameters: column efficiency, responsivity, and response time.
So for the first part of part A, we compared an avalanche photodetector, or APD, to a more standard large area silicon photodetector. We did this both with and without ambient light. So this was the signal ratio of 1 with the APD, as you can see here. And then for the second part of part A, we measured a PIN photodiode, we measured the VOC, and we measured the ISC, and then these are the graphs for the VOC on the left and the ISC on the right. For the third part, we then took those and compared the IV profile curve to a more standard IV profile curve from Wikipedia that we were given. And as you can see, the curving uptrend here matches this exponential increase here. So we also measured the LED power versus the VOC for a PC. And then here is the curve from earlier. And then for the final part of part A, we measured the response time for a photodiode with and without a short circuit. Without the short circuit, it was 10 milliseconds, but with the short circuit, it was 0.6 milliseconds. So the response without the short was much longer than the response with the short, and our graphs and data followed the expected trends: linear where it was expected to be linear, logarithmic where it was expected to be logarithmic, etc.
So this is the theory for part B. We got images that can have light that is not in visible spectrum, so that IR. This can be also filtered out or selectively filtered for. So this was a setup for part B. We got a filter, and we got an IR laser, and we got a camera to record the image.
So this was the visible light blocked, no IR filter. So the sheet was over it. This was with visible light blocked and the IR filter. As you can see, it is much fainter without the IR filter since it needs to rely on it without light. So this was without the cover and no IR filter. This was without the cover and the IR filter. With visible light, the filter has minimal to no effect. So the image could still be seen with infrared light even when visible light was filtered out with a black sheet. However, the image was no longer visible when the infrared filter was also used under darkness.